friends, welcome to my channel, and it's another beautiful day. It is Friday morning and it is around 8 a.m. and I am just in Nana Nani Park, and you can just see that they are doing pruning, so it's all messy and there are hardly anybody. Aya Baya Tayas, I'm with the housewife. The housewife of Stafford. Only that these people are very bench. There's a lot of that happens, that jealousy, that bitchiness happens, but nonetheless it's okay. I'm cool with it. हाँ, एटीट्यूड नहीं दिखाने का मेरे को. पॉपुलैरिटी कॉन्टेस्ट में नंबर 1. So that's what I was thinking. See, it's looking very strange. All everything here, there, and everything. This is almost falling. I'm untidy. सुबह से वो फल फूल तोड़ने जाते हैं. जो गिरा है वो निकालने जाते हैं. जो है वो उसको भी गिरा के निकालते हैं. सो यस. Actually, she's become very insecure, one of the females. So she's really acting very strange. Because I told her on her face, I said, don't mess around, don't. ऐसे तुम पावरफुल औरतों के साथ पंगे लोगे, you will be isolated, you will be nowhere. So don't act smart. And she is very very egoistic. हर चीज़ में अपने आप को ऊपर. See, when you have lot of inferiority complex, now that's the time you talk about bragging and boasting about yourself. Otherwise you'll be very very cool. You'll be very humble. Not be bothered. I like my look of the day. That's what I'm telling people. When you're striking, you should strike hard, and nothing like a style statement. Nothing being fit, nothing being stylish, nothing being. See, you won half the battle. 50% of your battle is lost. The way you carry yourself, the way. That's the reason why I'm saying neat, clean, hygienic, well put together. This makes a lot of difference. I won't say I'm winning battles, but yes, I have won the battle. She came, she saw, she conquered. ना वो वाला होता है. Why I want my viewers, my beloved family, y'all are my family, y'all are like my family, to be well groomed, to be well dressed almost all the time, as much as y'all can. I would say 100% of the time. If y'all can't, then make it 99% of the time, and you just see the magic. It's nothing to do with you people being fat or dark or ugly. Nothing to do with it. The ugliness comes from inside. Your face might not be that attractive, but when you're shining from within, you will be known, you will be understood. See, she's purposely distracting them so that they are busy. Looking very nice. अभी मैं फ़ोटो वीडियो लगाऊंगी ना. मैंने बोला अभी मैं ग्रुप बनाऊंगी इसका. अब एक सिंगल इंडिविजुअल को मुझे भाव नहीं देने का है. एवरीबडी विल बी इन द ग्रुप और सबको फ़ोटो मिलेंगे. ओ गॉड, उल्टा पहना है मैंने. बट ओवरऑल लुक क्या मस्त आ रहा है ना. फर्स्ट क्लास बैंगल्स एंड मी. रानी माँ, ये भी अच्छा लग रहा है. ये भी मैचिंग. I want to go get more of these. 2 more of these. One bottle green, light green, like neon green kind. Not neon green, it's light green, so it goes well with all my kurtas. And is orange. He's saying ये 2 ही नहीं आ रहे, बाकी सारे मनीज मिलते हैं, वो नहीं मिल रहे. मैंने बोला हमेशा पड़े रहते थे, मैंने पिक नहीं किया. Because now sometimes you are not in the frame of mind to add something, right? So that is what happens. I will not give footage to anybody now. Face looks really pretty. Anything very nice. Guys, take care of yourself. Look at my matching. लग रही हूँ ना मैं cool. My style statement, I'm going to make it better. But वो क्या होता है ना, before I used to only concentrate on Pond Park. So my mind was on Pond Park because there I'm concentrated. यहाँ क्या है ना, I'm sitting down, then I'm talking to people, then background में वहाँ पे the pond used to be the main attraction. So that beauty was there. And I'm on the stage, like I'm on the people tell me आप आ गए, आपका stage खाली है. So it is on the stage, it's on the parapet, so the look comes really beautiful. यहाँ पे I'm actually sitting and talking. But let's see if I can incorporate that, because it's rainy season, it's going to be very wonderful. So since, let's see, because उसके लिए मेहनत लगती है, that means I'll have to do styling since 5:30 onwards, because by the time I reach there, I have to reach there and visit the church, then come here. So it's going to be quite a this task. Okay guys, Pond Park on maybe Sunday, maybe tomorrow, maybe Sunday पक्का Sunday को Pond Park. Okay, bye.